the theme for this dance is an exciting one. The theme is Rio Carnival. Well, let's not get too excited. We have our national anthem to start us off. Please rise and remove your hats as we present our country.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous flight, o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets reckless, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Rip the stick off. Put it on and rip it off. So good, too.
I think one more. Let's give it up for the seniors! Great try! I don't think what the freshman got. Oh, okay. Where's the applause, freshmen? Let's cheer him on!
Get the plug out of your ass.
One more. You got that.
Toby died. You don't care. Larry Bird. He's like a white Larry Bird.
Good try, guys. Don't worry. Stop until you're here. That's a great job. Well, I think now that the time it is, it's time for roll call with Mr. Whiting. Get loud, get loud.
All right, freshmen, the winner of the 3-point contest with freshmen. And sophomores! Come on, Pete. I think we have junior. That was amazing. But we got the freshman over here again. I see some
All right, let's give it up for Mr. Whiting. All right, let's get this assembly started. Not only is this assembly the first one of the new year, it is also our kickoff assembly to Wish Week. And to talk more about Wish Week, we have the amazing group of planned it to come on out and tell us what we have to look forward to for this week. Please welcome one of your community service members, Kaya. Hey guys, it's Kaya from the Community Service Committee. I'm so excited to tell you guys about what this year's Wish Week has to hold. Starting off tonight, we have our Make-A-Wish Bingo Night from 6 to 8 p.m. in the Commons. It's a great time to bring your friends and family to win some awesome prizes. Tomorrow, stop by Jersey Mike's from 4 to 9 p.m. to get a sub to contribute to our fundraiser. At the end, last but not least, we have our Make-A-Wish City Hawkins dance this Saturday from 7 to 10 p.m. Even if you're unable to go, purchase a ticket to help us out. But the best part of it all is all the proceeds earned will go straight to Make-A-Wish to make a difference in a child's life. That's all from me. Thank you, Kaya. Let's make this year's Wish Week awesome. Thank you, Kaya. This week comes packed with some awesome events. I can't wait for the dance this Saturday. Please, everyone, go buy a ticket. The dance will be fun and it is donated to the amazing Make-A-Wish Foundation. Consider purchasing a ticket even if you are not able to attend. Okay, it's time for some spirit points. Let's kick off our first game. If you are competing in the hoodie balloon game, please come on down to the court.
Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. Let's talk to the girl with the background, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out.
Okay, how this game is going to work is pretty easy. Contestants have to put on their hoodie while keeping the balloon in the air without popping their balloon. But the only body part that can touch the balloon is their pointer finger. So if I see any other things, that's cheating. Okay, are we ready? What do we got here?
That's a weird fight.
And who are you representing?
Julian, I'm representing the Steve.
Jerome representing the sophomore. Just representing the sophomores.
Laurel representing the juniors. Okay, ready? Set, go! Let's have another face-off. Sorry, guys. Okay, we have the freshmen and the sophomores. Okay, who thinks the sophomores are going to win?
Great.
Okay. What about the freshmen? Hey. Get ready. Contestants, get set, and go. I think it's a win for the sophomores. That was a great game. These points are valuable. Since this week is Fish Week, we have a bunch of spirit plays to look forward to. Today we have bright colors to match our dance theme. Coming out to tell us more about the rest of our spirit days are two student council members. Please welcome Gage and Amelia.
Dude, spirit.
What's up, Pioneers? It's Gage,
And Amelia, we're here to talk to you about all things Spirit Week.
Rochambeau.
And your next platform.
If you look up at the Spirit Board, the freshmen have 1,476 Spirit points.
The sophomores have 1,616 points.
Juniors have 1,625 points.
And lastly, the seniors have
Fuck yeah!
2,559 Spirit points. Meaning,
We didn't forget about the staff. The staff have 2,253 Spirit points.
seniors are in the lead with 2,559 Spirit points.
Don't forget, Miles, that you guys earn Spirit points by dressing up for Spirit Days
Winning class songs.
and participating in our upcoming canned food drive.
Speaking of Spirit Days,
It's Spirit Week, which means you guys have the opportunity to earn more points for your class.
today was color grade, so I hope you're all dressed in bright colors.
Tomorrow is Wacky Wednesday, so wear mismatched socks or your craziest hair.
Thursday's Rochambeau, which we'll explain in a second.
And on Friday, wear blue and white to support Make-A-Wish.
Don't forget to dress up in your new class Spirit point.
Amelia, do you know how to play Rochambeau?
No, but you should teach me.
In your second period classes, you'll receive a necklace, and for the rest of the day, we'll be having a school-wide rock paper scissors competition on who can win the most.
So, Rochambeau is our computer day.
Yep,
How do you win necklaces with other people?
like this. Since I lost, I have to give you my necklace.
But how do we know who the overall winner is?
At the end of the day, if you think you have the most beads, meet in the comments, where we will decide who the final winner is. Whoever is the most gets a Dutch Bros gift card.
Okay, now it's time for our cheerleading contest. We have to come to the court. All right, let's do this. The fastest top competitors in all their drills will win this contest, earning their class 100 spirit points. I don't know, it seems pretty tough. There's a lot in there. Who thinks they can do it fastest? I'm feeling Okay, all right. Let's count it down. 3, 2, go. You can do that. Keep going. Keep in mind, there are probably about 30 in each container. 30 more seconds. Whoever has the least left in the next 3 seconds is the winner. I don't know, it looks pretty neck and neck. We'll go for the swing dance, please. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, hands up. We're gonna count.
So when it was snowing, I went running and I forgot I didn't wear gloves.
Okay, seniors, sorry. Freshmen, sorry. It's 19 to 19. You know what that means? We're gonna keep going. Go. You can go faster. No pain, no gain. 5 seconds left on the clock. 4, 3, 2, 1. 17. How many do you have?
14.
Looks like we have one winner. I'm not sure if the word has gotten out, but we have a very special guest here with us today.
I'm special.
We have a speaker coming straight from Make-A-Wish Foundation. Please put your hands together for Alan.
Hawkins City High School, how are you today? My name is Alan Taggart. I'm the event manager with Make-A-Wish Hawkins, and I would like these lovely people to introduce themselves. So we've got Hadley here. She's one of our previous Wish Kids that y'all sponsored. Give it up for Hadley. Hadley, would you like to introduce yourself real quick?
Yeah, I'm Hadley Larry.
Hadley, what did you wish for?
I wish to go to Disneyland and Universal Studios.
Disney World, all right, and Universal Studios. Could you tell us a little bit about what you did during your wish?
So we did a lot of things during the wish. So what we do at Disney World is like we usually swim a lot. There's like this throughout the resort, and there's like a place where you could go swimming for free and that. And there was like free slushies, popcorn, and a lot of fun stuff. So we went swimming most of the time.
That is so awesome. So you got free snacks the whole time? That's amazing. So tell us more about when you actually went in the parks. Like, what were the favorite things? Because I know Disney World and Universal Studios are really big. So what were some of your favorite rides that you did?
There we go.
Disney
Some
World,
guys.
I like some of the activities. Like one of them I went on where like you sit on the seat where you're flying, and it was really fun to go on.
That is so awesome. I've heard a lot of good things about Harry Potter World. So it sounds like you might be a Harry Potter fan. So tell us a little bit about Harry Potter World.
So in Harry Potter World, I got to see the Neverine. I got to go to the restaurant where they drink buttermilk
is so good. Okay, I heard that butterbeer comes in different forms. You can get hot butterbeer or cold butterbeer. Is that true? Yes, it's true. Great. So, one thing that I want to share real quick, Kathy is one of our Wish ambassadors this year. That means that she's going out to places like this and speaking about her experience and what it made a difference to have her wish come true. Make-A-Wish is a place where we help any kid with critical illnesses make their wish come true. They can wish for going somewhere, like Kathy did. They can wish for having something. They can wish to meet someone, or they can wish to be someone. And sometimes some kids wish to throw a party for their community, things like that. One thing that I love about Make-A-Wish is that it's all about joy and bringing joy into the lives of any family and the kid themselves that's going through anything, any critical illness. And so I just wanted to turn time over to have Aunt Mom to share a little bit about how this wish made a difference for your whole family. Because obviously it was magical for you, but I want you to talk a little bit about, first you, and then you, how this made a difference for your whole family.
It made a big difference in Happy's treatment. She found out she was going, and during her hard times, it was something that pushed her through. Obviously, as you can tell, she's had her leg amputated, and it was something during the hard times that she knew she got to do and looked forward to, and it brought so much joy to our family. We had a once-in-a-lifetime experience. She flew for the first time. She'd never been on a plane. She got to ride a very first roller coaster and experience things that I don't know if we ever would have been able to. And I love this foundation and what they do for kids and helping them through their treatment, something to look forward to and to be happy. And it just brings so much joy. When she found out she got to be an ambassador, I've never seen her so happy. She couldn't wait to spread the joy and help other children.
So well said. Thank you so much. So that's one thing that I really love about Make-A-Wish is that we are all here. You all are having an opportunity to raise money for kids who are going through a difficult time in their life, for their entire family that are going through a difficult time in their life, to give back. One thing that I'm really excited about to see for Hadley's family is that they have actually been ingrained and really are part of the Oregon City community. And so this is a really cool opportunity for all of you, everyone in this room, anyone who's out there, anyone, even the faculty and staff, to be involved in a really amazing opportunity to bring joy in the lives of people who are struggling. Does anyone know anyone in this room who's struggling? Raise your hand. Okay, well, everyone has someone in their life who's struggling, and giving back, the act of philanthropy, is a really excellent thing to learn, that all of you have a chance to engage in, to give back. So, with that, would you guys like to say any last things about Make-A-Wish as a Wish ambassador?
I think about my goodness. I feel like this is a feeling that I've never felt before. It's like just a warm feeling inside that I feel like nice and happy when I think about it because I had the most wonderful time with my family and my cousins there.
That's so well said, Hadley. Thank you so much. Let's give a big round of applause.
Lot of competitors. This is a game many of us know. It's where you call the leader. Ah, yes, Simon Says. I don't know about you guys, but I'm like really good at Simon Says. Yeah, I'm sure you are. We're not here to see you play it. We're here to see the class that's not alert to your team. Okay, but just so you all know, I'm definitely doing this. All of you guys should have a shot. How this is going to work is we're going to have multiple rounds to see who can follow the directions best. let's get started. Head, shoulders, ears, knees, toes, palms. So sorry for the Okay, now there's going to be 3 people and 2 palms in the middle. Head, toes, knees, ears, shoulders, toes, palms. Alright, you made it to the middle. Okay, next round. Gotta be ready, we're going. Head, shoulders, knees, ankles, head, nose, palms. Okay, semi-final round. Alright. Toes, shoulders, head, palms. Okay, it's time for our final round. Let's meet the contestants. What's your name? Who thinks Olivia's gonna win? And who do we have here?
Tristan!
Who thinks Tristan's gonna win? Alright, let's see. It's the final round. Okay, ready? Head, shoulders, toes, knees, head, shoulders, toes, nose, ears, palms. Let's hear it from our winner, Olivia! Representing the cheer team. Thank you, everyone, for competing. I'm really excited for the dance on Saturday. The theme is so bright and colorful, making me feel like you're really in Rio. I wish I could really go to Rio. Me too. We're gonna have our band play a little piece to make us feel like we're really in Rio. Please welcome your OC band. looking at you, seniors. And coming on out to tell us more about it is your senior president and senior secretary, Jordan and Kylia. Hi, I'm Kylia. And I'm Jordan, and we're planning your Big Brother season 4. Mario Madness is almost here. From March 10th to the 13th, our senior contestants will be battling it out in Mario Madness. With exciting challenges, strategic gameplay, and unexpected twists, this event is one wonderful. The entire competition will be filmed, broadcasted, and live streamed outside of school hours, so everyone here can follow along and see the action unfold in real time. We have extended our applications to Wednesday, May 19th. If you want to compete, be sure to get your applications in by Wednesday and outside of F128. Mark your calendars on March 13th. The final showdown is open to the public after school. Come see who will outplay, outlast, and take home the grand prize, a brand new MacBook. Follow us on Instagram to stay updated on the behind-the-scenes drama, live reactions, and competition highlights. Let the Mario Madness begin. Thank you. Let's hear it for them. Thank you, Cole. Remember to check that Insta. There's a lot of good stuff you won't want to miss out on. So many events go on at OC. Sports, activities, clubs, we really have it all. Let's give a little shout out to our student athletes as we recognize our winter sports. Please stand as we applaud all of you. Starting with Tiger Cheer Dance, Swim Team, Girls Basketball, Boys Basketball, Unified Basketball, Snowboarding, Equestrian, Bowling, Wrestling. A special shout out to Tristan Wade, who was our TRL Disney champion. Thank you so much for your dedication to our sport and making OC proud. Since we're recognizing our winter sports, I think we should include a very short group in our next comp. In my opinion, this comp is going to be the best one of this assembly. But we're going to need two competitors. Can we please have our competing wrestlers to come down to the court for a balloon toss race?
Just one smooth touch.
Get set, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tristan takes the win on the first round. 1 point to yours. Rock, paper, shoes. Okay, why not? Alright, final round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Sophomores!
Mason's having her sophomore.
Sophomores are our winners! You're going to get 150 spirit points! Let's keep those cheers going for an amazing group. Up next, we have our cheers to see right through. Please give it up for them.
This guy doesn't want to give it to just the lonely shit. It's like that chick sitting on the couch. Just be like an IT guy. Yes, we're I've seen it from 1911. I've seen all the videos. Totally crazy. You stupid dude! This guy's got a real soldier. He's gonna get penetrated in the ears. Kobe did not die. Once Kobe died.
Not bad. Thank you all for playing. We're in peak basketball season, and I'm not gonna lie. One of my favorite parts of the game is when the band plays our fight song. Yeah, but I feel like this section isn't hyped enough. I think we need a refresher. Cheers, band, will you help us out? And classes, don't think you're off the hook. We might even give some extra spirit points to classes who are standing up and singing along. We're ready. And hit it. Okay, seniors, we see you. Anybody else? Come on, stop. Juniors, Ross, you can stand up. You can stand. That was amazing! And you guys sounded a whole lot better. And I mean, I think the seniors were standing up and getting loud. How many points should we get? I think we're gonna give them 150 spirit points. All right, let's keep that excitement going. Up next, we have an amazing video trailer from theater for you guys.
I worked with theater. This was New York. I lived in the floor type studio. To me, it was a picture of infinity. Models acting like people, acting like models. I went, what was your emergency? I'm not sure. Is it life threatening? Yes.
As the float ring that had belonged to her son.
People who love each other in life float in different directions, and somebody's hurt. So you don't get a needed understanding of the geology of what these people will be having.
Let's keep that excitement going. It's been a while since we brought our cheer team. We'd also like to acknowledge and congratulate them on taking third in state. Very big accomplishment, guys. Make us very proud. So please welcome behind your cheer dance team along with your student council crew. everything for so